So this meeting is for tell you that you guys are doing great, awesome job, okay? You're not fighting. You guys are doing awesome. So I ran at you guys to tell you that you guys are doing awesome, okay? Good job, Budgies. Do you have anything to say? Where's Lucy? Oh, Lucy's over here. Do you hear me, Lucy? Look at your feet. You guys are doing very good job. I like when you guys behave good. Tomorrow we're gonna have awesome treats. All right, and we're gonna have lots of play. We're gonna go outside and play outdoors, okay? And we're gonna have fun, all right? Are you excited for tomorrow? Are you excited for tomorrow, guys? Are you sleepy? Good night. I'm gonna turn off the lights because Budgies are ready to go to sleep. Good night, Budgies, okay? No fighting. Turn off the light. Bye, guys. Good night. Have a good night sleep, okay?